Here we're told to write the first 5 terms of the sequence below, and we have that f of 3 is equal to 2, and we have this recursive formula where f of n is equal to f of n minus 1 minus 3n. So here we have that, that the nth term is equivalent to the preceding term minus 3 times the term number. And the third term here is 2. So it wants us to write the first 5 terms of the sequence. So to get the fourth term and the fifth term is relatively easy because we have that f of 4 is going to be equal to f of is going to be equal to f of 4 minus 1, which is f of 3, minus 3 times 4, which is equal to, well, f of 3 is just 2, and then 3 times 4 is 12, so I would just have 2 minus 12, which is equal to minus 10. Now, f of 5 is just going to be equal to f of 4 minus 3 times negative 10, which is equal to minus 10, because f of 4 is negative 10. N is not minus 10. N is going to be 5 here. So I've got f of 5 is equal to f of 4 minus 3 times 5. So I've got negative 10 minus 3 times 5, which is 15. So that's equivalent to negative 25. Okay, so the next part of this is how do we figure out what f of 2 is and what f of 1 is? Because in order to write the first 5 terms of the sequence, we need f of 3, f of 4, f of 5, and we also need f of 1 and f of 2. So notice that this is an equation. And I can rewrite this equation. I can rewrite this as f of n minus 1 is equal to f of n plus 3n, where all that I've done is I've added 3n to both sides of this equation, and that isolates f of n minus 1 for me. So I have that the preceding term is the next term plus 3n. So let's see here. Well, if I plugged in 3 for n, I would get f of 3 minus 1. F of 3 minus 1 is equal to f of 3 plus 3 times 3. F of 3 was 2, and 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 minus 1 is 2, so I have that f of 2 is equal to 2 plus 9, which is equal to 11. Now I can repeat this procedure, and I can say that f of 2 minus 1, well, that's equal to f of 2 plus 3 times 2. And f of 2 minus 1 is f of 1. And thus f of 1 is f of 2, which is 11, plus 3 times 2, which is 6. So I've got that f of 1 is equal to 17. So now I can write out the first 5 terms. So therefore, the first 5 terms, are 17. F of 2 is 11. 17, 11. F of 3 was 2. And then we have f of 4 was negative 10. Oops, negative 10. And f of 5 was minus 25. So, and minus 25.